After that, we'll verify whether this server is a domain controller or not. So if you go to tools, you will see the Active Directory services, Active Directory Administrative Center, Active Directory Domains and Trust, Active Directory module. Okay. And if you go to this PC, then properties, previously it was in work group. Now you will see it is a part of domain ms.com. We'll go to advanced system settings. We'll go to computer name. Under this computer name, if you observe here, now it is saying domain ms.com. Okay, and still it is not confirmed whether it is a domain controller or not. We'll go to command prompt. Then we'll type this command net accounts. So if you see here, the computer role primary, which means this is the domain controller. Okay. So if you see this primary,